Hello everyone, welcome to class. I hope you are happy and healthy because today we're going to be looking at lesson 2 of unit 7 from Smart English 2nd edition, book 5. To start today, we're going to be reviewing our vocabulary from last class. So we've been talking about hobbies and the things that we like to do. So let's review those vocabulary pages now. So what I would like you to do is first to divide yourselves into 2 teams. So team 1, team 2. And please open your books to page 47. So we used page 47 last class to discuss our vocabulary words and to talk about how often we do things. So what we're going to do is we're going to play the roll the dice game. So I'm going to give each person a pair of dice to roll. So each person will roll 1 die. And the person with the lower die will ask a question using one of these vocabulary words. And the winner will answer the question and get a point for their team. So let's do a quick practice. So if one person rolls the die, and they get, so team A gets a 3, and team B gets a 2, that means team B is the losing team. So they will choose a flashcard like this, and they will ask a question. So looking at this, they'll go, how often does she fly drones? How often does she fly drones? And the winning team will answer the question. She flies drones twice a week. So you can make up any sentence you want as long as you can answer the question. All right, are you ready to play? Wonderful, let's begin. All right, great job everyone. Thank you for playing such a good game and congratulations to the winners. Now, let's turn to our first page that we're going to be working with today in lesson 2. So please open your books to page 48. So on page 48 we have, right up at the top here, our chant. So what we're going to do first is we're going to watch the video of the chant together. So let's watch the video and just listen and enjoy, okay?
How often does she take pictures?
She takes pictures once a week.
How often does he draw comics?
He draws comics twice a week.
How often do they fly drones?
They fly drones 3 times a week.
Okay, very good. So now when we listened to the chant, we heard 3 different hobbies. What was the first hobby that you heard? It was takes pictures. Very good. So how often does she take pictures? What's the answer? She takes pictures once a week. Very good. What was our second hobby? It was draw comics. And how often did he draw comics? He drew comics 2 times a week. Very good. Or twice a week. And what was our third hobby? Our third hobby was flying drones. And how often do they fly drones? They fly drones 3 times a week. Very good. Okay, so this time we're going to listen to the animation and we're going to chant along with it. Okay, so listen and chant with the animation. And then we will practice a little bit more in small groups. Okay, good job everyone. Now we're going to do this in smaller groups. So I'm going to divide you into groups, okay? And in these small groups, you're going to either chant the question or the answer, okay? So the question is the first line. So how often does she take pictures? And then the answer is she takes pictures once a week. So one group will chant the question and the other group will chant the answer. All right? Let's practice together. Okay, everyone, let's get back together and let's take a look at part B on page 48. So let me zoom in to make it a little bit bigger. Now you can see here, today we're going to be asking questions about these pictures and then answering them. And we have our example question and answer here. This question we've been practicing quite a bit already. So let's read it together with our reading fingers. How often does he build model planes? He builds model planes twice a week. That's our answer. So we're going to be using this question and answer style to answer the questions about these pictures. So let's take a look at the pictures together. Now on this first picture here, actually let's do this one. Let's do this one because it comes from the chant. So what is the picture? What is he doing? He's flying drones. Very good. Or he's flying a drone. And we have the days of the week down here. How many days of the week are green? We have 2 days of the week that are green, the 2 S's. What are these days? Saturday and Sunday. So he flies drones on the weekend, right? So how many times or how often does he fly drones? How often does he fly drones? He flies drones twice a week. So let's listen to that just for some extra practice. So listen and repeat it. So now you are going to work with a partner and you are going to practice asking and answering, okay? So take turns asking the question and then answering the questions. And do that so that you ask a question for each picture and you answer a question for each picture. So you will ask 8 questions and you will answer 8 questions. Okay, so that means we will practice this 2 times with our partner. All right, let's begin. All right, everyone, let's turn the page to page 49. And let's look at our activity A here. So you can see that we have a chart. And we're going to be practicing asking how often people do things, right? So what are the activities that we're going to be talking about? Let's look at them. So what is this one here? Yes, that's go to the river. So how can we ask a question using how often? Let's look here. Let's read along with our reading fingers. How often do they go to the river? How often do they go to the river? Very good. How about this one? Go to the beach, right? So how often do they go to the beach? Repeat. How about this one? Go to a concert. How often do they go to a concert? Very good. And the last one, what's here? Go for a hike. Right? Or go hiking. So how often do they go hiking? Good. So these are our 4 activities that we're going to ask. Now we have here on the left side of the chart, we have 3 rows here. So the first row is a boy and a girl. So our question is going to be asking what? They. How often do they? Because there are 2 people. The second row has just 1 boy, so we're asking what? How often does he? Very good, so how often does he? And then the last one we will save for later because that is for you. So let's practice just rows 1 and 2 with a partner, okay? So let's do the first one together. So we have they, and what is our activity? Go to the river. Very good. And what is the phrase here? What is the answer? Twice a year. Very good. So 2 times a year. So let's create a question. How often do they go to the river? Can you touch the pictures just like that? So let's do that one more time. How often do they go to the river? They go to the river twice a year. Very good. So I want you to do that with your partner, just like that. So touch each part of the question, touch the picture that matches each part of the question to ask the question, and touch each part of the question to answer the question. Okay, everyone. Now we've finished practicing with the they and he questions. Now it's your turn. So down here, you have this row next to you. I want you to write your own answers for each of these pictures, each of these activities. So, for example, how often do you go to the river? I go to the river 3 times a year, something like that. Okay? So you can write whatever you want here. You can write anything you want there. Your choice, because it's your life. Okay, so I'll give you 2 minutes to write out your answers. If we need more time, you can take a little more time. All right, everyone. Now, with your partner sitting next to you, I want you to ask and answer the questions about you. So ask your partner, how often do you go to the river? And listen to their answer, okay? Let's now move down to part B here. Let's look at part B. So again, we're going to be asking a question and answering that question. So let's look at our 2 charts here, and I'll make it a little bit bigger for us to see. There we go. So on the left side, we have a box of 4 pictures that talk about to school and work. On the other side, we have home. So we're talking about going somewhere, right? So you're either going to school or going to work, and here, going home, right? So let's look at our questions up here. Let's read this one together with our reading finger. What time does she go to school? So this is matching which of these pictures? Yeah, number 1. So what time does she go to school? What time does she go to school? Well, looking at the picture, we have a time up here. What time is it? It's 8:20. Very good. So it's 8:20. So what time does she go to school? She goes to school at 8:20. Now, how does she get to school? How does she get to school? Let's read that question together, actually. How does she get to school? How does she get to school? Look at the picture. She walks to school, right? So you are going to ask 2 questions about each picture, and you are going to answer 2 questions about each picture. So the first question is, what time does she go to school? And the second question is, how does she get to school? Okay, very, very good. Now, let's look at part 2 of activity B, where they are going home, right? So we have to change the question a little bit. Let's take a look at it together. Let's read with our reading fingers. What time do they come home? What time do they come home? And our second question, how do they get home? How do they get home? So let's take a look at number 8 here. So, is it a he, a they, or a she? It's a he. Very good. So, how does he get home? How does he get home? Yeah, how does he get home? He gets home by taking the train, right? So, he takes the train. He takes the train home. And what time does he come home? He comes home at 7:45. Very good. Okay, so just like we did last time, we're going to ask and answer 2 questions for each picture, okay? But this time I want you to ask with a different partner. So you find a different partner and talk to somebody new. All right, let's begin. All right, everyone. We are going to wrap up today's lesson with a short writing activity. So we've been doing a lot of speaking this time, right? So now we are going to do some writing. So I'll give you a piece of paper and you are going to look at these pictures down here. So these pictures from page 48 that we used earlier. All right? So looking at these pictures on page 48, I want you to choose 4 pictures, just 4 pictures, okay? Choose 4 pictures and I want you to write questions. Write the questions that match these pictures. So for instance, how often do they play chess? How often do they play chess? So you can write that question on your piece of paper. Leave some space between each question because you are going to trade your paper with your partner. So trade your paper with a partner and answer their questions. So you'll write an answer to each of their questions, okay? You're not going to answer your own questions, you're going to answer their questions. All right, so each person will get a piece of paper and please write your questions with some space. Choose 4 pictures from this page and then we will trade papers and answer the questions. We'll write our answers to the questions. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. All right, everyone. Wonderful job today. The last thing that we have to do is, of course, go over our homework. So your homework for today's class is page 48 and page 49. So you'll notice here that you're going to have to write a little bit. So please write neatly, neat handwriting, please, when you are writing. So what is your homework for tonight? That's right, it is page 48 and page 49 in your workbook. So we will say goodbye here and thank you for being such great students today. Bye-bye.